Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an AI comic under 5 minutes. So we're going to be using Imagine Art and Canva. So we're going to generate images here. So I use this one since it's pretty fast and really good and it's free and it's faster than most other AI generating image apps. So we head on over to text to image once you've logged in. Take note, this is free. However, there's a limit. You're given 50 and credits replenish every 12 hours. But you can also upgrade if you want unlimited of them. So let's head on over to text to image. And as you can see, I have already generated some of these. And my prompt would be a Dark Lord with iron armor and a mace appears in a modern city through a portal. So it generated these ones, which is really good. I'm going to use this one. And you can just go ahead and click on download. And once you've downloaded that, you just head on over to Canva and you create a new page. So for example, a post or a comic. Search for comic strip, or comic book. So we can add a page here. So we just upload the photo that we just downloaded. And as you can see right here, this is the photo. So we can just adjust it to kind of that one. And we can just adjust the ratio for this. I'm just gonna make it like this to fill the page. And then we can add a page here, and then you can just generate the other pictures yourself through using prompts. And that is it. That is how you basically make a AI comic under 5 minutes. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.